Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, LSP. This is day 4 of 14 days of safer at home in Nashville. Didn't really feel like doing a lot of talking yesterday, but I did get us a long walk, so I wanted to do the intro. But sit back, relax, and enjoy the walk. You'll hear me talk in a bit. Hello. All right. Did y'all see that? This is why I walk on the sidewalk, because all week no one's been over here, but I guess they figured it out today. But you saw me get all the way over on the grass. Anyway, y'all, I just wanted to share my walk with you. I didn't really want to do a lot of talking today, which is odd for me, as you know. Hush. As a Gemini, I love to talk, but today I'm just kind of feeling like walking. So I thought I'd share it with you. Let's get back at it. Going off trail. There's a snake hole over here. I saw. Hey, this isn't my off trail spot. Alright. Just a little bit off trail. Did you hear that? Yeah, you can't really go off trail, but look down there. Plus, when you'll see this hill I'm about to walk back up, you'll understand why I'm just kind of stopping here. You can see it. You can see we're going downhill. But now you have to climb back up. But I can do it. Feels so good. With every step, I feel better. I mean, trees. Not beautiful, y'all. Oh, nice. Now back up the hill we go. I'm gonna turn it because I don't like other people all up in our business. Speed it up a little bit. 19 minutes. I used to. Could have walked a mile, but you know. It's not really what this walk is about. I just want to walk. It's my Forrest Gump. That's me. It's my Forrest Gump. So I start walking and just keep going. Guess I can't do that right now. Get pulled over while walking. I would decide I want to talk as I'm climbing that hill. Good, LSP, good. So let me catch my breath, y'all. We'll get up here. Take a little breathe break. Take a little breathe break. I see a great spot for a breathe break. I need to do that a couple more times, y'all. Oh, breathe break. Just a little breathe break. Listen to that wind. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna get up and down that hill a couple more times. I hope you enjoyed that walk. We're not done yet. I'm just going to be done with this portion. Depending on what time it is, we might go back down to that creek I saw yesterday. You know, I feel like I need some chapstick. But anyway, don't look at that. All right, y'all. I'll see you in a bit. Oh, that wind. The wind is back. Y'all thought it was gone, didn't you? Me too. But the wind came back. All right, I'm gone for real. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm going to put some chapstick on before I come back. Okay. Okie dokie, my friends. I know I look a little more awake than I usually do at the end of these videos. That's because I forgot to record the tag last night, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed that wonderful walk. I'll get out and do it again today. But this has been day 4 of 14 days of Safe Ride Home in Nashville, Tennessee. I hope you're doing well. Take care of yourselves. Be calm, be healthy, and be helpful. That's it, y'all. I'm done. Take care of yourselves. As always, no fear and no regrets. You're awesome.